Sonra bile
Guys, we're headed off to Gjirokaster. This is what happens when you guys don't keep the time. This is what you get.
Yeah.
Guys, we're gonna use a taxi to go all the way to Gjirokaster. Let's see what's happening. People, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here we're gonna be taking a road trip all the way from Ksamil back to Saranda, and then we're gonna be taking the bus from Saranda up to Gjirokaster. Make sure you stay tuned up to the end because Gjirokaster is a beautiful place you gotta see. It just looks like Turkey. Seatbelt.
Unjust, you good. It's done just you good. It's done just you, done just you. Just for the record. Just for the record. If they like me, then job, but they do my do, then no go catch up. Oh, yeah, come bear no. But so blame me, I'm you go do your one time, I go for one time, I'm to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk up, that's what they fly like helicopter. Nobody grace of God and inshallah with them move. Question, but then no get the answer. 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 Answer. What's up, Lubbage? Lego sing a salad when you they move. See green light when I look at you.
That boss? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, one of them. Guys, we're headed off to Gjirokaster.
My ticket agency.
How much?
How much? 400.
We'll go sharp. Time long. Guys, we're headed off to Gjirokaster. So we're just gonna get a bus. So this is the bus timing. This is Saranda to Tirana. I'm not going to Tirana now. I'm going to Gjirokaster. Oh, okay. The price is here. Saranda to Gjirokaster, 400. Yeah.
But I'm burning. I'm behind. My mind is right. All these thoughts I'm troubling. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life.
So guys, we're gonna be taking a bus from Saranda all the way to Gjirokaster. It costs 400. Like you can see the price. I'll show you guys the price somewhere on the screen. The last bus is gonna leave at 1 o'clock, and then the last bus coming back from Gjirokaster back to Saranda is 5 p.m. Well, time has gone, but what can I say? We have to keep the time. But we'll see what we can get for just 3 hours. So that's the bus we're going to be entering just behind me over there. And the office, that's the name of their office, as you can see just here. So hopefully we reach in good time. And by the time I'll be showing you guys this video, we should be in Gjirokaster. Alright guys, see you in Gjirokaster. Bye bye.
Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall on my right hand. Cause I go spinning friends at the club. They know what time is. Sit down in a class and we put that all this in.
Let me take a picture. Which one is to go? This to come back, and this is to go. Yeah. Guys, we are headed off to Gjirokaster. So we literally just stopped at Saranda. This is Saranda. So we're gonna be taking a bus all the way to Gjirokaster. See you guys at Gjirokaster. Bye bye. Yeah, thank you. So guys, this is our bus going to. Why is people not inside? You something like the correct bus. This is nobody there inside. No. So guys, this is the bus. I think I want to sit close to the window. That's block road. It's hot shower. 50 racing. Where's the room or where's the chair number? Guys, weather is hot, crazy hot. I think it's like almost what, it's 5:40. Freaking hot. So yes, we are leaving. The AC is gonna on. The driver will put on the AC right now, and we are off to Gjirokaster. This fan is blowing hot air, guys. Hot air, boiling. The sound. Yes guys, off we go. It was time for our bus to leave. So these are just the streets of Saranda. You can see how beautiful but crowded it is. So like I said, if you're coming towards this area, I highly suggest you stay in Ksamil rather than Saranda. Okay guys, enjoy the bumpy ride. Remember to smash the subscribe button. Okay, let's go.
Them other girls want me, but like you, I want to know, I want to know. Shady not this kind thing with tomato, moo. Oh no, no. Not the little things you do make me no, 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 no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Oh baby, come. Oh girl, I want make me deal. I feel like making you. Oh no, no. I feel like making you. Oh baby, I'm no good.
So guys, this is the border separating Saranda, Gjirokaster and Vlor. I don't know how to pronounce it, whether it's Vlor or Vlor. Anyway, you see these three beautiful cities. You can either tour any of them whenever you come to Albania, okay? So guys, let me show you the landscapes that the media does not show you about Albania. I'm a me happy adult. I no go feed the girl. I no go feed the girl. It's out though. I'm a mind that's with the talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that devil. Like the Baba Frayo, my ayo, don't cry yo. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and I did what I got when they kill Soboma. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings when they swing like Django Lover. Feelings when they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leg. So guys, a bit of attention here. You know the famous Blue Eye Ksamil? This is literally the branch off of the clear water from the Blue Eye Ksamil. This is how it actually looks like. Last, now everybody could try breakfast. Have to say bye bye yo, to the love of my life, my ayo. Here. It's so beautiful. Yes, it's so beautiful. So guys, this is literally like the road that leads to the Blue Eye. I don't know if the driver would like, maybe if we're coming back, the driver can let us go to the Blue Eye to see what the Blue Eye looks like. But it's so beautiful. Like I've seen pictures of the place and it's so lovely. I wish. That's like Delta or whatever. So beautiful. I think that was like the branches. Yeah, that was like the branches of the blue eye water, like what it looks like. So yeah, I wish.
It's been a year tonight. Yeah. You know it's all your fault. No, I don't wanna say no. You're breaking down the door. Don't let me go, no. I just wanna hold you. I need no control, no. Would you let me love you? Me love you, it's all over. I lost my composure. I got love to show you. Would you let me love you? Me love you, baby. I got nothing to unwind. Belonging, you make me feel strong. I got my eyes on you, cool like a girl. I'll be patient with you, know I'm fine.
So guys, these are the beautiful landscapes on our way through to Gjirokaster. Feel free to feed your eyes. You can see the mountains, the valleys. It's just a very beautiful, lovely sight to see. I hope you're enjoying the vlog. Please do remember to click and smash the subscribe button, okay?
I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it for me. Tell me that the yes. I try to keep you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to live, but I can't. I don't know why, 'cause I want just me out of my mind. Don't need no other body. Don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Then I need the message of my mind. And I need to make you free of the mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say I'm my love, you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah.
So guys, here we saw a lot of bunkers. If you guys haven't watched my videos about nuclear bunkers, make sure you go back to watch my previous videos about nuclear bunkers. Nuclear bunkers are like hideouts for the people of Albania when they were trying to plan for a nuclear war.
I just wanna let you know. Hope every day. Don't need no other body. Don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body, baby. Help me be certain. No one loves you again. No one wants you the same way. Till the morning, my woman's up on your body. I just wanna get you beside me. everyone you need, everyone you need, everyone you. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body.
So guys, when we got to Gjirokaster, it was actually raining. As you can see previously, if you were watching the video closely, there was a part you see the clouds gathering. So that was the rain trying to pour down. We didn't check the weather forecast unfortunately before coming, but the rain later stopped. So guys, that's one of their worship centers. I think that should be a mosque. Well, it looks like a mosque basically. So we just saw that on our way. So Gjirokaster, who else could you guess where the name Gjirokaster came from? From the surroundings, you can see how mountainous, how hilly this place is.
And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine. Baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle. And you they blow my mind from my mind ago. And I don't go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci but the Fendi. Cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, if my wood is running, baby, she gon' save me. Cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord. Girl, your love is crazy, girl, your love is crazy. You amaze me, you amaze me. Other girls, them only really want to play me. But when I date with you, I realize love don't cost a dime. Love is.
And yes guys, we also stumbled across a church for Christians. So this is a church in the heart of Gjirokaster. It's so beautiful, isn't it?
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm a ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my wise man step. Follow the star. Yeah, you shall find them. Be so bad fast. If you hit your enemy.
This is what happens when you guys don't keep to time. This is what you get. This is what you get when you don't keep to time. You don't keep to time, this is what you get. Guys, nothing serious, okay? I was just ranting to the ladies that I was trying to tell them to come out early, but they refused. Guys, it's raining. This is what you get when you don't keep to time. Africans never keep to time. I said 10 o'clock, they didn't keep to time, guys. This is what they get. So guys, we finally got a taxi. This man, I'm gonna tell you a history about this man. This is the nicest man we came across in Gjirokaster. Make sure you watch out for my next video where I'll be showing you guys in depth about Gjirokaster. The nicest man ever. This is what you get when you don't keep to time. Stay end up together. Welcome to Gjirokastër. Guys, has this ever happened to you where you go to a touristy site that you're about to visit and it was heavily raining? Oh my god, I felt so sad. I just felt like going back home, but anyway, thank god I didn't, because in my next video I'm gonna be showing you guys this place that looks like Turkey. Don't miss it.
Flow like a river. If you get your walk, come on, go and sit down. I go just para. Come on.